are working and you are moving around all the time. Take always, different type of language. Guru Maharaj got 20 like that, there are small ones. To attract people, to start with, you should have some illuminating stories, practical lessons like this, that will attract people. And you can carry some of yoga asanas for science. So first, you start with your, suppose if you are working in office or you are having your own office, you can start with them. Tell them that, just read this thing. And no need to hurry up or anything. Read according to your convenience. But I want it back within a month's time. How long you want to keep it, you can ask them. Some people say 14 days, some people say 1 month, some may say 2 months. Just give them. Then, on that particular day, whatever they have mentioned, you have to write it down in your diary. And you should go there on that day. So that will show them the punctuality what we are maintaining. Distributing that. So slowly you can start with your neighbors, or you can give even some free books. Small pamphlets, ashram is also printing so many. So you ask, usually when you open the society branch, they will send you some set of leaflets. That you keep it, make Xerox copies of those. And then you can distribute.
Yes.
Slowly like that, the prachar will come. Otherwise thinking that they all will come to us, otherwise, we can do this thing.
But that is what you are doing regularly.
But we must do it in greater scale, bigger scale actually.
But you are doing he is already doing this.
We are doing, but we should do it in a bigger scale actually, in mass scale.
Bigger scale means, suppose if you are 10 members, 10 members do that.
Yes, that is the bigger scale.
That is the bigger scale. No need for any outsiders. Not approach any outsiders. And you are doing lot of work. The problem is you are not writing anything. You should.
No, that Madam who told we have to revive that South Calcutta branch, and in name of I sent to another to report. They told will not, your society is not recognized actually.
You have to renew it. We didn't renew at all. Okay?
So the address is the same Sadasanga Road only.
No, you cannot because now.
No, I know, but what is the
No, the original certificate
yes.
you see 28 is address.
28 days Sadasanga Road change करते हैं.
That you have to
No problem. That is ashram is very friendly in that aspect.
Yeah, they will. Or otherwise you can start newly also. No problem.
You can start a new branch also.
So that the heritage
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That is
should carry on. And what about Kundal? That Simanand Ji's Guru Bada Maharaj Kundal that.
That is in America.
Oh, you have taken it.
Here, I gave 2 big plates. 2 big, very big plates. That Guru Maharaj used to eat in that plate.
That is there actually. कसमा में है बहुत बड़ा प्लेट है.
हम लोग क्या करता था उसमें बाधा पूजा एक करके 5
So we used to have 2 plates. One we used to offer bhog, the other one we used to perform Radhika Puja. Okay? Those 2 I gave.
है अभी अलमीरा में है.
Yeah, Almira, that Almira, and of course, one Gurudev stick, olden days, first, Gurudev used to walk with the stick.
The stick is there.
स्टिक भी है तो अलमीरा में है.
Fantastic. That is, Gurudev was using it for more than 25 to 30 years.
Huh?
And one day, suddenly, in the satsang, he called my father. The satsang was going on. He called my father. He said, oh, Neelakantaji, I want you to come as a sannyasi tomorrow.
हाँ.
So, so my father was a very quiet man. In front of Gurudev, he can't speak. He won't talk anything in front of Guru Maharaj. Tears will be rolling from his eyes. My mother used to express whatever feelings he had. My father used to keep mum in front of Guru Maharaj. So when he said that thing, he stood up and he nodded his head. That is, that he will do it. Next day he came, okay? And there was no kamandalu. And for a sannyasi, perfect sannyasi means there should be kamandalu and there should be a stick. So Guru Maharaj, what he did, immediately went there and got his stick.
हाँ.
Stick, his own stick.
Oh.
And then he gave it to my father. And then, that was an ordinary commandalu from somewhere. That also he gave to my father. So he asked him to take pictures and then he called my mother. So, Shavitrama, are you scared? Because he has come in as I know, he has responsibility. So he's got a pakas and see, like that, they always used to joke and say things. And that particular stick, he told anybody is sick. That's why I want him to be maintained like that. I told when I told Dasputari, this is not an ordinary thing. Because at that time I had no idea that I can take things in ship. Only the later on I took all the books because I kept it in my house. Then I sent all the books. Then I thought, it is a place where...
Madam, it is
people are-
better if you take those stick, etc. Because it will be very difficult.
With the family,
हाँ.
it will not keep, and we also kind
So
of
when you go ना अब जब जाएंगे ना stick है हाँ.
स्टिक
the
है क्या?
stick and the
आपने
plate.
इधर ले आएंगे ना
हम लोग
गुरु महाराज की
रखेंगे,
चीज़
आंटी
The
यहाँ पे।
plates you keep, stick I will take because stick का रोज पूजा करने पड़ता है, नहीं कर रहा है।
नहीं कर रहा है.
नहीं हम लोग इधर
नहीं, हम
इधर में
लोग
पूजा
यहाँ
स्थान
पर-
में रख के पूजा कर लेंगे।
यहाँ पर ना हम लोग टांग लेंगे।
नहीं वो स्टिक तो उनका हिस्ट्रिकल वैल्यू है ना.
सॉरी करेगा।
To my mother,
Let the stick be
by
with
Guru
you.
Maharaj to my mother telling anybody is sick, full faith with praying to Lord Shiva, you just touch their head and stick, they will be okay.
हाँ.
This Guru Maharaj, I should disclose, but we are all Guru boys, I am telling.
Yes.
This is what on Shivratri day, and we give lot of first
वो तो ले आएंगे आंटी सबसे पहले संडे को ले
नहीं,
आएंगे।
हम उसको
वो कहाँ पर है?
पता नहीं
है, एक stick है।
कहाँ रखा हुआ है?
एक्चुअली ऊपर में अलमीरा में एक था, ऊपर में एक तो अलमीरा है जो डाइनिंग
ऊपर का कमरा में लास्ट वाला
नहीं
ऊपर
नहीं नहीं डाइनिंग वाला जहाँ जो है डाइनिंग टेबल पड़ा है वो अलमीरा का अंदर था.
I took some
ये अलमीरा अच्छा है क्या?
था अभी तो लॉक कर दिए हैं वो ढूंढना पड़ेगा. वो जो ऊपर में जो डाइनिंग हॉल में अलमीरा है ना वो अलमीरा का अंदर था
that
स्टिक.
I will request him tomorrow. I will tell him.
But he will have no clue at all. He will have no clue.
नहीं रामायण एक्चुअली ऑल क्लू इज रामायण.
Please get Ramayana. He may be able to help.
रामायण इज डूइंग पादुका पूजा एवरी डे. रामायण इज डूइंग पादुका पूजा एवरी डे.
All this yesterday when I asked Rama, he said, नहीं भीतर में कोता है आछे, भीतर ही कोता है आछे.
अच्छा.
अच्छा उसका स्वामी जी ने कहा था उस स्टिक को किसी को छुओ तो ठीक हो जाए।
अम्मा
Full
was
faith
saying
के
that,
साथ।
faith with
फुल फेथ के साथ में ओम नमः शिवाय शिव
the command we gave it on क्या बोलता है उसमें पर्टिकुलर डे जिस दिन जब भी देता सब कभी what is that day called?
शिवरात्रि दिन
Not शिवरात्रि, the other day what you call it?
दत्तात्रेय वाला दिन होगा।
Eclipse day का?
हाँ बिल्कुल
ओ जब वो होता है चंद्र ग्रहण होता है।
चंद्रग्रहण होता है ना, उसी दिन में he suddenly in the night satsang he called my parents, okay? Then he said tomorrow morning, early morning take bath and come to our So Guru Maharaj का order जो भी होगा उसी हिसाब से मैं both my parents were and they saw इतना कपड़ा एक रखकर उसमें गुरु महाराज पादुका का प्रिंट हुआ. हम लोग को घर में जो तो ओरिजिनल गुरु महाराज प्रिंट कर कर he gave it to my father and said pray me and start doing puja for this. Then that day itself he gave the commandalu and Guru Maharaj का एक आसन था where when he was in Prankashram he used to sit on that and do japa. That Chidam Swami Maharaj I don't know why suddenly एक बार हम लोग आश्रम में जो आया था गुरु निवास में बैठा हुआ था. Then Guru Maharaj का इन सब गुरुदेव का कुटीर में डिस्प्ले किया हुआ है ना. गुरुदेव suddenly took out that thing and he gave it Shavastima coming Samba में said इसमें आप बैठ कर जप करें. So after my mother I have now stitched it very nicely. I kept it in the puja room. So daily morning I do it.
Wonderful.
Because it's good place.
That stick you must take.
Yeah, but these two plates you keep it
I will shoot.
प्लेट्स उधर में है.
one for both for giving. That's what Gurudev always used to keep it in front of him and he used to eat from that plate.
Oh.
It was great fun to watch him doing that thing. छोटा छोटा कटोरी में रख देगा सब पूरा. And Gurudev used to. And then one day he told my mother, you should take it to Calcutta.
अच्छा.
And the like that. Or otherwise how can we get this?
मेरी बड़े स्वामी जी का प्लेट है।
बड़ा महाराज दोनों प्लेट में बड़ा गुरु महाराज.
अलमीरा में है नीचे जो है
वो अंदर में रखा हुआ है।
हाँ अलमीरा का अंदर रखा हुआ है. रामायण रखा है.
वो देगा नहीं बोलेगा यहाँ पर हम लोग का रोज पूजा होता है वो उस दिन
नहीं नहीं मैडम जाने से दे देगा. वो मैडम को जानता है. वो मैडम.
Please, Mataji, take your plates and that
No,
stick.
no, plates I want you all.
अच्छा plates have to
Yeah,
stick.
I will take it.
No problem, but take your stick.
Something should be there because when I gave it, I should take it back. But even the books, I would have not taken it. It was kept nicely.
No, it is not preserved properly.
When he is repeatedly telling his problems, we have to understand them.
यस.
That we will do.
एक्चुअली देखिए मिराकल के बारे में मैं आपको बताता हूँ. अभी स्वामी चिदानंद जी बोलपुर गए थे. शिव चिदानंद जी क्या क्या मिराकल किए ना उधर में. हाँ शिव चिदानंद जी क्या है ना सुबेरे उठे एक तो बेल पेड़ का नीचे चले गए और वो बेल पेड़ में बैठ के वहाँ पूजा करने लगे। बोले कि ये एक तो साधु संत है, ये बहुत बड़ा साधु संत, ये बेल पेड़ हो गए। बोले वहाँ बैठ गए। वहाँ बैठ के सडनली बोले कि मुझे कोई एक तो यहाँ डेवोटी को जुगाड़ करो। तो कहाँ से डेवोटी जुगाड़ करेंगे? हम लोग क्या किए, शांति निकेतन का हेड को फ़ोन किए कि आपको कौन एक डेवोटी बोलिए। वो बहुत सोच के बोला कि एक तो संस्कृत का उड़ीसा का प्रोफेसर है, वो प्रोफेसर बहुत डेवोटेड है। तो वो हम लोग उसका घर में जब पहुंचे ना, उसका बेटी को 103 104 बुखार है। वो निकल के जा रहा था क्योंकि 15 दिन से बुखार है, वो वर्धमान जा रहा था। स्वामी जी पहुंच के उसको छुए, बोले कि नहीं अब ठीक हो जाएगा, और उसी दिन ठीक हो गया बेटी। 15 दिन से बुखार चल रहा था उसका। ये तो एक मिराकल हुआ। दूसरा, यहाँ आए, हमारा जो जज साहब का मैडम का घर का सामने नी डीप पानी था। तो वो जज मैडम सोच रहे थे कि स्वामी जी कैसे आएंगे, और स्वामी जी का गाड़ी घुसने का पहले सारे पानी खाली हो गया। कभी खाली नहीं होता था।
उसी दिन 2 दिन मेरे से स्वामी जी बात किए कि मेरी बहुत इच्छा है आपसे मिलने की।
अभी मिले क्या?
नहीं मिले नहीं।
तो वो जहाँ गए ना वो मिराकल हुआ। और उसी दिन क्या हुआ, दीपक विश्वास, जो विश्वास जी का बेटा, उसका घर में पहुँचे। उसका मिसेस आके रो रो के बोले कि देखिए इस घर का ऊपर में हाई कोर्ट का इंजेक्शन है, मैं हम लोग 6 महीना से है यहाँ, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं लग रहा है, स्वामी जी हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट डे उनका एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर आके बोला कि आपका घर में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आज लगेगा। लग भी गया नेक्स्ट डे।
सब गुरुदेव का कृपा है सब चीज में ना।
क्या होता है,
So he is very devoted. विश्वास है। हम बोल रहे हैं मेरा 3 बच्चा का शादी गुरुदेव की है, मेरे
सही
बस का
बात।
नहीं था।
that is the faith. If you
मेरे
have
बस का नहीं।
faith.
और I don't know how it
Come on their own.
done.
यस,
See, these people like, Sushant Singh Nigam, whoever have devoted their life, completely surrendered their life,
Yes.
that power will be transformed.
हम तो आंटी, मेरा इच्छा था 3rd 4th छत मेरा हो। देखिए मेरी इच्छा, और जहाँ वो जमीन ले गया है वो बोला हम आपको खाली 4th फ्लोर देंगे। हमने कैसे होएगा, तो हम लोग 3rd फ्लोर भी दे दो, बोला नहीं। तो गुरुदेव की क्या कृपा है, मैं बोल नहीं सकती हूँ। उस जगह को सेल ऑफ करवा दिए, हाँ, और यहाँ पर ऑपोजिट लेन है, वहाँ पर बना बनाया हमको